A Fox News alert now. Former President Donald Trump will be addressing supporters this morning after being found guilty on all 34 counts in his New York criminal trial. He's set to be sentenced on July 11th, which is just days before the Republican National Convention.
Let's bring in criminal defense attorney Jonna Spilbor. Jonna, good morning to you. So after this verdict came down, Bragg held a press conference, and here's what he said.
I did my job. Our job is to follow the facts and the law without fear or favor. And that's exactly what we did here. I did my job. We did our job. Many voices out there. The only voice that matters is the voice of the jury, and the jury has spoken.
Okay, so that was his reaction. Another reaction came from Michael Cohen, who said last night to see Judge Merchan on the stand is to see poetry, and that he is actually judicial perfection. So two reactions from them. What is yours?
Oh, boy. First of all, I watched Alvin Bragg's presser last night, and I thought, man, this guy should really win the Academy Award for delivering that BS with such a straight face. And as far as Judge Merchan goes, he ran such a kangaroo courtroom that I would be surprised if he didn't grow a pouch. Last night, when this verdict came in, I was stunned, I was shocked, and this morning, I've turned that into ticked off. Because listen, I have been practicing law a lot of years. I have seen bad juries. I have seen biased judges. I have seen power-hungry prosecutors happy to relieve themselves on the Constitution. But we don't normally see all three converge in a single courtroom in a single proceeding. But we did. In this instance, we did. And the problem is that we cannot let this kind of coordinated corruption stand. It's not just affecting Donald Trump. It's not just affecting any defendant that would be in that situation. This corruption is affecting our entire country, and we cannot sit back like sitting ducks and let it stand.
Okay, but it's not just New York. Trump's still facing 3 more criminal trials plus appeals, including 40 felony charges in the Florida federal documents case, 4 felony charges in the D.C. federal election interference case, 10 state charges in the Georgia state election interference case. Of course, let's not forget about the civil fraud case here in New York, $454 million. So you said you're ticked off this morning, Jonna. Many Republicans waking up feeling the same way, angry, ticked off. And many want revenge. So my question to you as a lawyer, should Republicans take the high road, or, Jonna, should they fight legal fire with legal fire and go after Democrats by way of similarly legally hollow cases?
Both, Todd. We can take the high road and we can punch back. And that's what absolutely needs to happen. Look, I'm pretty content that this verdict will be turned right side up with the appellate process, but it's not enough for us to sit back and wait for that to happen. That will happen. Donald Trump will be in the White House by the time this winds its way through the appellate process and gets overturned, and it will get overturned. But we need to do more than that, and not just for Donald Trump, not just for this country, but one citizen at a time, because one of the reasons why I'm scared this morning is because the corruption started at the top. Stuff rolls downhill. They now have a blueprint. If they can do it to Donald Trump, they will do it to you, Carly, your families, my family, all of us. And we have to punch back any legal way we can. And that can include taking the high road, of course.
Yeah, well, if it does happen to me, Jonna, I want you as my lawyer because you are brilliant. And a note here, none of the other 3 criminal cases that Trump is facing have scheduled dates yet, so likely to happen after the November election. Jonna, thank you so much for joining us. Have a great day.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.